In this video, I'm going to show you how to register with Forsage Tron using Token Pocket Wallet. The first thing you'll need to do is install Token Pocket. Below the video, you'll see two buttons there, one for the Apple Store and one for the Android Store. So obviously you will use the one that best suits your device. So I'm on Android. I'm going to click on the Android one. That will take you over to Google Play where you can install it. You'll just follow the on-screen instructions on how to install Token Pocket on your mobile device. Once you've installed it, you click on Open. And once you've set up your wallet, you're going to need to have some Tron deposited into your wallet there. So coming back to this page, and below the video, you're going to see a link there, which starts with HTTPS, and then it's got 2 forward slashes, and then it starts with TRX. What you want to do is to put your finger on there. That will give you this pop up, and just click on there where it says copy link address. So copy link address. And now what I want to do is to go over to my Pocket Token wallet. So I'm going to come back to my home screen, click on Pocket Token. So once you're inside your Pocket Token, if you look at the bottom there, you'll see that there's assets on the far left, then it says markets, and then it says discover. So you want to click on discover. That's going to open up the DApp browser. So at the top there, and then click paste, and then you'll see it says go to the DApp. So you go to there. That will bring you over to the registration screen. Make sure that you got 2981 as that, which is my ID. And then all you do is to click on automatic registration. You'll get this pop up that's going to ask you to pay the 200 Tron. So I'm just going to click confirm. It's going to ask for my password. Once you've inputted your password, you just click confirm. And it says the transaction has been sent. Now what we've got to do is we've got to wait for it to clear on the blockchain. So that will take a few moments, normally no more than 10 minutes. And congratulations, you see the screen is refreshed and you've now got yourself a Forsage account. Now every time you want to access your Forsage account, you're going to have to use your wallet. If you're not logged in, so I'll log out, and then you could just click on automatic login. You'll get this pop up, you'll click confirm, you'll then put your password in that you use to access your Token Pocket wallet. Once you've inputted your password, click confirm, and that will automatically log you into your Forsage Tron account. You have an amazing day, and I'll see you in another video.